Take a look at this. So delicious.
Hello, welcome back to Zestopia with Abisoye. Today is the second episode of the I Am Food series. We are making stuffed eggplants, a delicious dish that's also fantastic for boosting your iron intake. We'll be making this recipe in a cast iron pot because the pot will provide extra iron into our meal. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the eggplants are roasting for about 30 minutes until the flesh is tender, let's cook the quinoa. I've already washed this. 1 teaspoon of oil, a pinch of salt. Cook it on medium heat. Now let's prep the garlic, the peppers, the habanero. This is optional. I just like a little bit of kick. I have about 3 cloves of garlic. Using the water and the pestle brings out the flavor in ingredients better than knife. The parsley is also a good source of vitamin C to boost the iron absorption. The cast iron is ready. I'm going to heat a little bit of olive oil on medium to high heat.
Good.
Let's go. The skillet is hot and ready to go. I'm going to add all of this, saute it until it is soft. I'm also going to add this habanero to the hot skillet. The eggplant has been roasted in the oven for 30 minutes. The quinoa is cooked and fluffed out. I'm going to put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. This whole dish of 2 servings has about 9 to 11 milligrams of iron and 250 to 350 calories per serving, so it has about 500 to 700 calories per plate. There's an extra iron up to about 1 milligram that was captured from the cast iron. We have 12 milligram total iron captured for this plate.
Look at this. So delicious.
Let's taste it. I think normally people will eat like 2 servings. 1 serving will be too small.
I'm gonna cut this off the root. Let's taste it.
Thank you for watching Zestopia with Abisoye. I hope you tried this iron-rich recipe at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Drop a comment and let me know how it turns out, or share your tips for increasing iron in your meals naturally. Until next time.